Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for mermaid. It is ino, ino. Now let's see how to say novel in Korean, and it is called 소설, 소설. Here comes the third word, and that is the Korean word for news. Now, there are two ways to say news in Korean. One is 소식, 소식, and the second word is 뉴스, 뉴스. The first one is a native Korean word, and the second word, 뉴스, it is a loan word, right? It is the transliteration of the English word news, okay? Now let's move ahead and see the next word, and that is the Korean word for stamp. 우표, 우표. Here comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for vampire. Now there are two words for vampire in Korean. One is 흡혈귀, 흡혈귀, and the second word is vampire, vampire. Now, 흡혈귀 is a native Korean word, which means a blood-sucking ghost and is the traditional term for vampire. Whereas vampire is a transliteration of the English word vampire and is commonly used in modern contexts, right? So basically, 흡혈귀 is the native Korean word for vampire, and vampire, it is the modern way to say vampire in Korean, right? It is just the transliteration of this English word. Okay, now let's see the next word, and that is the word for ashtray. So in Korean, it is 제떨이, 제떨이. Here comes the seventh word of this video, and that is the Korean word for farmhouse. It is called 농가, 농가. Now, it can also mean farm family. Okay, so it kind of means the home of a farming family, right? Now, let's see how to say musical instrument in Korean, and it's very easy. 악기, 악기. Okay, so the general term for musical instrument is 악기. Now comes the Korean word for monster. And again, there are two ways to say monster. One is 괴물, 괴물. And the second word is monster, monster. So, as you can see, 괴물 is the native Korean word for monster, and therefore it is often used in traditional contexts. Whereas monster is the loan word from English and is more modern and often appears in contexts influenced by the English or Western culture, right? So, 괴물 is the traditional Korean word for monster, and monster, it's a loan word, right? Now comes the last word of this video, and that is palace. In Korean, it is 궁전, 궁전. Alright, so in this video, we learned 10 Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.